all contents carefully from the package. Inspect and review checklist provided inside owner's manual. Attach the finial to the top of the canopy mainframe by turning clockwise until tightened. Insert the bottom pole into the mainframe. Line up button with hole and snap into place. Lift the umbrella and insert the bottom pole into the base stem. Be sure to tighten the base knobs to secure umbrella. Turn crank handle clockwise to open umbrella to its fully open position. To tilt, simply push the button inward to release the lock. Then gently pull the top of the main pole down on the side you would like to tilt. To return umbrella to its upright position, push the button inward to release the lock. Then gently push the top of the main pole back up. Turn crank handle counterclockwise to close the umbrella. Wrap ties around the canopy and tighten when umbrella is not in use.